Hey girls, we should plan the main Mladinska oddaja.
Oh yeah, we should, since it's now already like the middle of June.
Yeah, but you know, it's the last one that we do like together, like this, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should do it properly, yeah?
Yeah,
We should do it nice.
So
Yeah,
what do
let's
we put as the first video?
The first week, what do we have?
So we have, there is...
Maybe Petra?
Yeah.
Who did Petra? What's this?
Yeah,
So Petra is a girl from Zagreb that organized an event in the Faculty of Philosophy to connect volunteers with refugees. Yeah. Okay.
And she had like some punk concerts and stuff. It was nice.
Cool.
A šta će nam stolovi?
A jebate da ljudi jedu, pa bit će jest.
A dobro, to da.
Bit će jest.
Ok, onda ćemo staviti klupu i stol, jel?
Ma da, stol i klupu ili klupu i dekicu.
Da. We started by putting those boxes there, distribution boxes, and by collecting clothes. And now we actually want to show that anyone in any university can do this. They can collect clothes and donations, and they can make an event for everyone and invite their favorite bands to play for refugees.
Ti drži ovdje, ja ću izvući.
Samo vuči.
Do you think it's going to look nice on the photos? Hopefully. Daj mi reci di da stavim cvijeće, ti znaš kako bend obično tu stoji. Ako mi je bubanj tamo i struja mi ide tam, to je okej. Živjeli, Petra! Pa daj nešto.
Evo recimo.
Mislim, znaš. Kak se zoveš? Filip, okej. Today we are doing a concert to present the initiative which is called Students for Refugees. And the idea is that we mobilize all the students, well, maybe not all the students, but the ones who want to be mobilized to come and help and volunteer with refugees and to kind of show that we need the cooperation of the whole society and of the whole community to help refugees to integrate, because right now they're just separated and it doesn't make sense, and it makes it much harder for them to integrate and for us as a society to welcome them.
Gdje ćemo baner raditi?
Pa blizu tamo, to ima smisla, jel da? Vidi stage. Stage, svijeće.
Izgledate dosta dobro pripremljeni. Samo je pitanje za sjedanje koliko će biti ljudi, jer
A to nam je fakat užasno teško za odrediti. Evo ga. Super je stage. Šta je vama najveći problem kad to radite nešto?
Svaki put je nešto drugo, prošli put su uništili zvučnik.
Zato je dobro da smo stavili ovu liniju.
Da.
maybe the demonstration I went to is related, so we can put it as the second.
What's the demonstration about?
There was
In
this. No, in Ljubljana. No, but there was this demonstration against fear because of the elections and some hate speech, and there was a lot of people, and it was actually kind of nice. So.
Kapital bo mogel popustiti in nehal bo morati širiti politike sovraštva in v Sloveniji in v tujini. Zato je to skupen boj vseh nas, ki smo tukaj govorili, vseh vas, ki ste tu, in vseh tistih po celi Sloveniji, ki se zelo dobro zavedajo vseh manipulacij, ki se jih nekateri gredo samo zato, ker jim je do večjih dobičkov. Do tega, da bi manipulirali z nami, da ne bi mogli svobodno odločati o ničemer. In temu se danes upiramo. Vesela sem, da vas je toliko, prepričana pa sem, da po Sloveniji ljudje čutijo z nami in z vami in bojo temu rekli ne. Sovraštvu bomo rekli ne, dosti je.
Živi Slovenija! Živi Slovenija! Živi Slovenija, varno! Hvala!
Kumrovec?
Kumrovec. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Kumrovec was really nice.
Is that too stupid?
No.
It's serious.
Well,
Come on.
we pretended to be Brazilian and Vietnamese in Kumrovec.
But it's not in this video.
What is this video about then?
Ah, well, stuff.
Ova boja, to se okladi.
Aha, okej.
Smo mi gospodar. Samo to smo daj eno glasno. Riček bom kupil, bom trsek sadil, prijatelje bom vabil, še sam ga bom pil. Sladkovince piti, to me veseli, dobre volje biti svoje žive dni, svoje žive dni. Brez vse skrbi, to me srčno veseli. Tam gori za hramom en trsek stoji, je z grozdjem obložen, da komaj drži. Sladkovince piti, to me veseli, dobre volje biti svoje žive dni, svoje žive dni. Brez vse skrbi, to me srčno veseli.
Tak.
No, there's this theater play. I think we should put this.
Who did the theater play?
I did.
Aha!
Yeah.
What was the theater play?
I went to an hour-and-a-half long theater play in Slovenian.
It was really amazing. What you understood?
How much did you understand?
1%. I don't know.
Wow!
Yeah, a lot. No, but it was actually pretty interesting. It was about a famous Slovenian poet, Konsovel, and his last poems because he died super young. But
What's
he managed
super young?
22 years old.
22?
Prvič gre za drugačno akustiko, gre za drugačen umetnostno-zgodovinski slog, ker se je Konsovel ukvarjal tudi s klasiko, bil je filozof. Predvsem ta prostor poudarja v interpretaciji filozofske dimenzije interpretacije.
Srce v alkoholu.
Dvignite melanholični računar. Končni Ikarus. Brezciljni Slovenec. Slovenec 3 kralje. Slovenec 20 let.
Konc 4. Francija, Španija, Maroko, Frajtar terorizira, žandar.
Konc 5.
Gre za gledališko uprizoritev najpomembnejšega slovenskega avantgardističnega pesnika, ki je umrl mlad 22 let in je v čisto končni fazi svojega življenja, v letu in pol, napisal serijo žanrskih pesmi, ki nosijo naslov Kons, kar izhaja kot kratica iz rusko avantgardistične formulacije konstruktivizem.
Konc 1.
Okay, what's next? We need something light, huh?
Ludmila can always speak.
No, I think it's already time for Lyudmila.
No, or we have... What do we have next? We can put... We have only these, so we can put the vegan fair. Lulu, you filmed a vegan fair?
Yes.
What happened?
I want to convert into a vegan.
Aha.
From the total meat eater that
Tell
I
us
am.
more.
You will see in the video.
We are here on Banja Luka's fair in Zagreb. It is crowded with people who want to try tasty vegan food. This is 7th veggie fair. The aim of this event is to show people how veganism is actually cheap and everyone can try switch to veganism, to be healthier, to help animals and to help our environment.
We are here today with a stand with some different kind of food. We are serving cephala from Nepal. We are serving falafel, that's Middle Eastern dish.
Well, we sell all different kinds of vegan food, cosmetics and everything vegan. I think this event is a great way to get vegan food closer to the public, for them to see it's nothing unusual to eat. It can be very delicious, it can be yummy, and you can get your tummy full.
So maybe next can be Veles?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay.
It's yours, right?
It's mine. Veles is a farm, you know it, no? I already made a video about it.
Yeah, we had some experience.
Veles. We all made a video.
Yeah, we all made a video there.
And yeah,
really good one.
Check it out. Veles is a farm. Ouch. And they had a training about permaculture.
The clouds are dancing through the sky. The stars and laughter in the night black side. Beauty rising up the mountains high. Rivers humming with a sweet lullaby. With a simple vision, skip the prison, branches and the soul. With this connection, the source of God is planted in my soul.
Okay, then helps the last.
The help is nice at the ending, you know, because it was nearly our ending.
Yeah. We almost died there.
Yeah.
But we will die filming, you know.
Yeah.
But what do you mean we were almost?
Yeah, we had to wait for a long time.
Then we got into 2 car accidents.
Yeah, so meanwhile we were filming to entertain ourselves, and this came out.
No, we cannot make all the van start. And they usually shoot when you put the light like that. So.
Well, it was a good month.
It was
year.
super nice. It was a super nice month in here.
Yep. It's really hot these days, huh?
No, come on.
No, it's a bit raining also.
So now that we finished planning, let's go home. Yeah.
Should we film the introduction?
Should we film it?
Yeah, we film tomorrow. We will,
And then we are never filming.
And then the editing we do after we film.
We can say all together, welcome to Mladinska oddaja now.
Yeah.
As if there was a camera there.
Okay, so
let's imagine a camera.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
So,
Who's counting? 1, 2, 3.
But this is should be the action, no?
Okay, 3,
One,
2, 1, akcja!
Welcome to Mladinska oddaja! And they will kick us out of the end, no?
That's true. This was a great introduction, I think.
But it's super difficult.
But
it's gonna be a pain in the ass to edit, Giovanna. You're gonna do it.
But maybe
I'm asking.
If
I would like to do it. I can.
You would like to do it.
Can I do the music of the credits?
But
anyway?
yeah, of course. Maybe I don't. Do you want to do it again? To try again?
I think maybe.
Yeah, maybe let's do it again. Yeah.